Guys, I'm not feeling good.
Oi, Spongy Boy, you're not looking very well.
Is everything okay?
I feel it's coming.
Oh no, he's going to vomit.
What did you eat?
I had 69 Feastable chocolates while I was watching Skibidi Toilet movie trailer.
Skibidi Toilet is going to have a movie?
No way, we have to see it.
Guys, please somebody help.
Hey, Sponge, I heard you have some problems.
Oh yes, will you help me?
No, but I can get you my number for lawyers.
There must be a way we could help him.
How many Feastables he had?
Only 69!
That's a lethal dose!
Oh no, how can we save him?
You have to like this video to save SpongeBob's life.
Guys, I love you all.